Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve a good question from the topic of number theory, and the question has been taken from CAT 2025 slot 1. Now the question is as follows. In a 3-digit number n, the digits are non-zero and distinct such that none of the digits is a perfect square and only one of the digits is a prime number. Then the number of factors of the minimum possible value of n is. So this was our given question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to this video to find out what is the complete solution for the given question. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, it is given that in a 3-digit number n, the digits are non-zero and distinct such that none of the digits is a perfect square and only one of the digits is a prime number. Then the number of factors of the minimum possible value of n is. So it is a very layered question and we have to solve it step by step so that we don't miss any clue from the given question. Now since n is a 3-digit number, so we can first draw 3 spaces for its 3 digits. Now all the digits are non-zero and distinct. So what are my digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Now since all of the digits are distinct, I can only select one at a time, and none of the digits is a perfect square. So 1 cannot be my possibility as 1 is a perfect square, 4 is also a perfect square and 9 is a perfect square. So I'm only left with 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now only one of the digits is a prime number. So if I select 2, I cannot select 3. If I select 3, I cannot select 2 and so on. So I have to form minimum possible value. So I will definitely select 2 and I cannot select 3, 5, 7. Now I'm only left with 6 and 8. Now since I'm only left with 3 digits, 268, I am only forming my number using these 3 digits. Now what are my possibilities of the number? I can have 268, I can have 628, I can have 826, I can have 862, I can have 628, I can also have 682. Now these are my 6 possibilities. Now the smallest possible number is 268. So my number n is 268. But we did not have to find the minimum possible value of n. We had to find the number of factors of the minimum possible value of n. So what are the number of factors of this 268? So I'll prime factorize the number. So let's go step by step. It is divisible by 2 and I'll get 134. 134 is again divisible by 2. So I will get 67. Now 67 is the prime number. So I'll divide it by 67. So my number 268 when prime factorized is 2 square into 67 raised to power 1. Now we know that the number of factors of any number represented in its prime factorized form is nothing but powers plus 1 multiplied together. So I have 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. It is 3 into 2, that is 6. So there are 6 factors for our given number 268. So to solve this question, we wrote down all the possibilities and then we got that the number of factors of our given number is 6.